Hello, welcome to the weekly NGS meeting. The meeting is about NGS. NGS is a programming language for DevOps. And it's a modern programming language as opposed to, for example, Bash. And it's for DevOps as opposed to, for example, Python, which is a general purpose programming language. Okay, I'm Ilya, the author of the project. We have Ricardo today. Woo! Ricardo is a contributor to the project. So I guess we'll start. Yeah, so the meetings are about updates and plans. Well, Ricardo, you want to go or you want me to go first?
Okay, I can go. It's fine.
Yeah, do it.
So yeah, so not much this week. The only thing is that the website pull request is still on. So
Yeah,
I did all the fixes.
didn't get to it yet.
Yeah, so I did all the fixes, and there are some questions for you, and send you the request to review.
Review. Okay, good.
And
I
now
hope
it's
to
in your
get
side.
there.
Then when you finish, then it's on
Okay.
my side again. Ping pong.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, so what I did, I finally got to do the release. 0213 released just today, maybe an hour ago.
Looks awesome.
Okay, so the main thing in this release is the TR transform facility, which works with deeply nested data structures, like, for example, FHIR, FHIR. For ones that are interested, can Google this. Okay, what else? So now that was 0213. And I closed the milestone on GitHub, and the next milestone is 0214, and that would be running NGS in Lambda. And after we get that out of the way, we can finally proceed with the UI, which was the very wanted part.
And another very important part about that release that went with it is the Readme. So finally, we have the Readme updated with the install steps.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Which are way easier than before, and we now you actually can see all the ways you have to install it. And also the GitHub Action was released automatically.
Yeah.
Which
Yes.
is awesome. Woohoo. It worked.
GitHub Action. Yeah, it's also in Readme, right? How
yeah,
you use
just
it?
no. It's above the Readme. There appears something like saying this GitHub Action with your project. Use this GitHub Action with your project.
How people know how to use it?
I will show you. So
you show us, all of us.
So when you go to the project, right? It now appears here, this thing all the time. And if you click there, you see that it's in the right version. Now it's the latest version. And this is basically the README. This is basically the README from GitHub. So if you go to install, there is here using GitHub Action.
Well,
yeah.
Well, if people visit this page, it would be like much better if they only see this section.
Yeah, but then you have to release it apart.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, so show me this again, please.
Yeah, GitHub Action.
GitHub Action.
And this stays with that name, which I guess it's way better.
And just what do you mean it stays with this name?
The repository. So if you would have GitHub Action, then it would be, if it was a different repository, then it was not NGS, right? It was NGS-Action or whatever.
Good. Steps. Bam. So we can easily use this in GitHub Actions. Okay,
yeah,
looks
just,
good.
Use and run. That's it.
Bam.
Not much. Yeah.
Run. Yeah, but then you run is like part of the whatever you have.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Nice. Okay, very good. So if you have no further updates, we can finish this video.
Also, wait, just this part also changed a bit. So now we have the chat that is the Discord.
Yeah, yeah.
Discord chat.
Yeah.
And we removed the other chat that was the
not used.
How was the name of that?
Sounds that don't remember even.
From Git, yeah. And these ones we still need to update, I guess, the
homebrew.
The homebrew and
I think homebrew is somehow updating automatically for some reason. I don't.
And this is the NGS, so you didn't run the snap update.
Well, I can't run it. I don't have the credentials.
No, it is there. It is on the edge.
How?
So,
there's automatic release. Yes.
Well, it's
Why
not
is it
automatic.
edge? It's supposed to be stable now.
Everything goes to the edge automatically, and then you just promote them.
Oh my! How you promote them?
You have to log in.
Oh my!
I have to share these credentials with you still.
Yeah, we'll get to there someday.
Yeah, someday. And basically, yeah, let's do it now. Live.
Yes.
I hope we don't share things that we shouldn't be sharing.
You want to share your credentials live?
No.
Okay.
So no, it was
stable.
releases.
I don't know. Stable. How we call stable 0 point something.
Let me see if I still remember this. It was promote to stable.
If you remember, how about you write this down in the README?
That's it. I just clicked and said promote to stable.
Yeah. How you remember
it? That's it. It's on the README.
Okay, so it is on the README?
Yes, and look at this. Updating all the time. Bam.
What is this? Wait. What are these numbers in there?
That's the build numbers.
Why are they different?
Because it may build different times. I don't know. It's automatic from their side.
Revision. Whatever. Okay.
And why do we use their build system? Because their build system automatically, has this automatically building for all the types.
Okay.
We could do this also on GitHub Actions, but we would have to care, about all the types exactly. And that's why they automatically build always to the edge every release that you do, and then you just need to come here and say
they run the tests, right? Also, like in the end.
I'm not sure, but I think so. Which test?
If you could check this till next week, that would be great. If they run the tests, because having something built which doesn't work, that actually doesn't help that much.
Well,
okay,
we know it works, right? So
right. On all the platforms it works because reasons.
I think it does. But now
things usually work, right?
Of course. We have it. You see, status released, stable.
Okay, good. Okay.
Now if we go out of here, back to where we were. Where was that? Back. Now here we need to refresh. This still didn't update. I guess it will update eventually.
Eventual consistency. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, okay, good. Well, I guess we can stop the recording, right? Okay. So before we stop the recording, what we need to say on YouTube? Follow us, yes, and that's subscribe, right? It's called subscribe. Yeah. This
the link is there.
Subscribe and like, or we will come to your house and anyhow. Okay, thanks everybody for watching. See you in a week. Bye.